Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. We are looking at about a 6-year-old skid. This is from one of our great customers that we have local. Each one of these machines has over 2,000 hours on it, so these things are still running strong. That's kind of a testament to Hondas. But this thing has seen better days, but it's made an absolute ton of money. Here's a look at the other side. Take a look at these reels. This is what happens to reels that are powder coated steel when you're working with bleach. There's a look at the other side. It just needs a lot of love. I think we're going to pull these reels off and probably end up sanding the shelf down a bit. See if we can get that to clean up. Brand new Titans are going on here. We're going to rewire everything, replumb everything. Got a big old fuel tank here. We're going to change that out to one of our Slims. There's one of the Titan reels in a box, another one there, and then we're going to add some more. There's a look at the back. We're going to get this thing all cleaned up and back in service just in time for spring. Kind of got hoses going everywhere. But these are fun to do sometimes. It's like restoring a car. You want to see the outcome of this skid, what it looks like when it's all done, hit the subscribe button. Follow our YouTube channel. We got about a 2-week timeline on this, and then I'll have it posted on the channel here.